Yo, what's up, guys? It's Movie Horty here, back for another new release 4K Blu-ray unboxing, and this is for the brand new Christopher Nolan film starring the new Batman, Robert Pattinson. This movie was just released, I believe, two weeks ago. And it's for the new movie Tenet, which I did see in theaters and I really enjoyed it. It's really good. I highly recommend it. But I may warn you, it is 3 hours long. So it is a pretty long movie. But there's the front cover. It's 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital code. So there's the front. Got your spine, got your back plus special features. Okay, so here's the front, spine, and back. Show you in the artwork. Show you inside. Digital copy code for Tenet. Then here's some other titles as well. So this is a 3-disc set. So the first disc is the Blu-ray disc. There you go. Then the second disc is the 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray disc. And then the third disc is the Blu-ray special features disc. Very nice. So yeah, guys, that was my quick unboxing of the brand new movie Tenet here on 4K Blu-ray. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Thank you. And also leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite 2020 film and Christopher Nolan film. Thank you.